Welcome to my YouTube video for learning how to get around in Microsoft Excel 2010. I know that's an issue for a lot of people, especially with the update lately, or coming up in April rather. So this is Windows 7, just in case you don't know, but it's the start. It's pretty much in the same area, but there is a nice little feature on this. Is it's got this little search window, so you can search for, let's say you wanted to look for, obviously I've got a shortcut here, but let's say you didn't. So you can type out Excel. I didn't even get the word, I got EXCE typed out, and then it already brought up Microsoft Excel. So I would click on that, and it would bring this open, and then you can maximize it. And then what the deal is it's a little bit different. I mean, there's training videos elsewhere, but we're not gonna be training fully on this video. I'm just giving you the basics on how to get around. Pretty much there's a file like there was on all the previous versions, and then you can print it from over here. Your home button now is basically the first sheet, and then you get like these ribbons are called. And then you got insert, and so you can change more. It's more of like a tab type browsing, so you can click on formulas and data. And this is pretty much the same as it was in 2003 and 2007, but they're just instead of being scattered all over the place, you know, they're in like this ribbon. So it's actually a little bit easier to get around. So that's how you create a new Excel, for example, or Word or whatever. So then you would create it and then save as, but we're not going to save it. So let's say you have one on your computer that you wanted to find. Generally speaking, it's going to save it as a default into this nice little program over here called Windows Explorer. And Windows Explorer usually is down on your taskbar. You click on Windows Explorer. It brings open, you know, pretty much what's inside your computer. Okay, so now you've got libraries, and libraries is pretty self-explanatory. You've got documents, music, pictures, and videos. So you go to your documents, and your computer may be set up a little bit different than mine, or saved in a little bit different area, but you can find your Excel in here, and then when you click on your Excel in here, it will open up, and then you can see your Excel or Word document. It'll come up on your screen. Another way is, let's say you remember the name of your Excel spreadsheet or your Word spreadsheet, so that you would bring your mouse back down into the start, and right where it says search program and files is where you would type out the name for like we have our budget. I'll just type out our budget and see. That's like a little bit different version of an Excel. That's Google's version of Excel, but it would pretty much come up there as well. And you can type out you know, anything else to search in there, and it will come up. And it's a lot easier than the XP to find it with that little search function. So this is just a crash course in brain surgery. I hope it helped everybody out. Talk to you later. Bye.